In this chapter, students will learn the four-step statistical process as well as the different measures of center. Statistics is the science of learning from and deciphering data. Statistics uses mathematics to make sense of data. When students use calculations to find the mean or the interquartile range, they are using mathematics. When students use the results of the calculations to justify and make inferences regarding the data, they are using statistics. The four-step statistical process is question, collect, analyze, and interpret. Statistical questioning anticipates variability in the data. Statistical questions are answered using statistical tools. Students learn the difference between statistical questions and non-statistical questions. For example, the question, "What color is the sky?" is not a statistical question because the answer can be found by just looking for one piece of information. There is no variability in the data. However, the question, "What is the class's favorite color?" is a statistical question because the data can be collected and the data will have variability. Collect. Students have been collecting statistical data since second grade when they were introduced to bar graphs and pictographs. Students will collect data, but it is not a huge emphasis. Population samples and collection methods are focused on in later grades. Students analyze data by organizing and summarizing using appropriate graphical representations. Sixth grade focuses on measurement data and is organized into line plots, box plots, and histograms. The final step is to interpret. This step uses the graphical summary of data to interpret findings in context of the initial question. This step is the major focus of this chapter and provides a rich opportunity for class discussion. Students will learn about finding the measure of center. The measure of center is a single number used to describe a data set. It is also known as an average. The measure of center could be the mean, median, or mode of the data set. Sixth grade students only calculate and focus on the measure of center using the mean or the median. The median is the middle value in a set of data that has been ordered from least to greatest. For example, look at this list of values. The median is 33. There are 3 data points to the left of the median and 3 data points to the right of the median. 33 is the middle value. The median is only representative of a data set if the distribution of the data is symmetric. Otherwise, it may be skewed by outliers. The mean is also referred to as the average. It is found by finding the sum of a set of numerical data divided by the number of elements in the data set. Because each data value is used to calculate the mean will be affected by every change and outlier. In this chapter, students will learn the four-step statistical process as well as the different measures of center. After learning how to find the mean and median, students will be able to justify why the mean or median is the best measure of center to represent any given data set.